The
Menu?
Unfold the table napkin.
Puro manulo akong kitain.
dagko pa yung ulo. May
Ay,
ulo na
dako kay
pala.
ulo, camera. Tanaway lang sa ulo lang.
Lagi.
Tingnan nila pag na ulo.
Chakers.
The next thing to do is,
Water.
what will be the next?
Water.
Water.
Pour ice water. Sir, may you please take the honor?
Water. Wala may yung uang.
Yeah. Sir?
Water.
Hindi mo siya.
So after the water had been served, what will be the next?
Menu.
Menu.
Say for example, the menu already is being preset. So what will be the next? Serve the bread and butter.
Sus, dapat ako dito rin.
So here in the hotel, we are practicing
Kita buhat rin kita pizza.
kanang ano lang po yung, gamitin lang po yung spoon sa fork bilang service, po, ng bread. Yung service song ng bread. So, we are practicing here Russian service in terms of bread and water na pag-serve.
Wait, yun.
So, it is a must also in the service that the lady should be served first before the
Guy.
So,
Gentle dog.
Sarong job. Hindi na.
Kung bayot.
Nasa ako na umuwala.
Kung babae o bayot.
Lungan.
Dungan.
so after the bread and butter has already been served, what will be the next?
Appetizer.
Here in Marco Polo, salad and appetizer are taken as one. So we are going to serve now the salad.
Okay.
Taghana po na ng bread.
Ito doon. Nanang wala may sulod na.
Kaon na. Kaon na.
Dapat na yung sulod. Imaginary na siya. Imaginary. Sige tayo imaginary, Anik.
So, Monsieur, what will be the proper cutlery that will be used for the salad? You may choose one.
Salad po.
Salad sport.
Just speak, just
Salad
with
sport.
among those cutlery. You know, salad sport.
Picture. Smile. Hi, hi, hi. Smile.
So, do you think it is right
What?
na alone yung salad sport na yung gagamitin?
Muta. Hi, hi.
So, the salad fork will be used together with a salad knife. So, after you have taken their salad, sir, dish out.
Bust out.
Together also with the cutlery being used already. So, after the salad, what will be the next?
Soup. Soup?
So, the soup.
Soap. Joke lang. Sabon. Tide powder. Hi. Crocodile.
Mom, sir, what will be the proper cutlery that will be used for the soup? Okay, alright.
Uy, support.
So after the soup has been consumed, so it will be
Entree.
dished out.
Ha? Unya, puro na ni ulo akong gibidyohan.
Kita naman.
So, next, with the soup,
Main course.
main course.
Wait.
So assuming that they ordered wine for their main course in complement with their main course, assuming that their main course is Bourguignon, example, it is their main course. What will be the right wine that will be paired with Bourguignon? Since it is red meat.
Red wine.
Okay, so it is prim and proper. Thus, the main course will be served with red wine because it is red meat. For white wine, fishes, and poultry, it is suitable also that it will be served with. So look at give me a glass of white wine.
Ha?
One example, common example that is also being usually used by the hotel and offers is Chardonnay. So Chardonnay. Another thing is the red wine, which we'll be going to show to you now, is the Cabernet Sauvignon. So I know in the bar and beverage part of your curriculum, bar and beverage subject, you will be taught with the wines and the proper service also of wine. So sir, let us show them how to serve the wine. I first serve your main course first. For the wine. So assuming that sir had chosen the red wine for their main course. So what will be what he will be going to do and the right thing to do also. So assuming that sinurod na po yung main course, tapos i-present na po yung sir yung ating red wine. Kasi bugbugin yan ito. So, if you carry a wine, what is the right thing to do also? Carry the wine like a baby. Okay. So, how we are going to present the wine now?
Here's your wine.
A brave soul who can tell to us of how we are going to present a wine in front of a guest. Any idea? There's no wrong opinion here. Sir, can we stand up? Okay, so it is also a must that we must face the logo. Aside from that, how we are going to present it to the guest, assuming that he has ordered it for their main course.
You ordered Cabernet
So,
Sauvignon.
sasabihin niya, sir, this has been your ordered red wine for your main course. At last, Convent, Cabernet Sauvignon, vintage 2009. So, what indicates that vintage?
Here.
For wine, what is vintage?
Harvest year.
So, it is kung tumatanda ang wine din, so it is the age of the wine. The older the wine, or the longer the vintage, mas hindi yung intensity niya. Ganun. So, we had also prepared the glass. Is it the glass that is suited for the red wine?
Yeah.
Yes, because it is the
Red wine glass.
So, assuming that sir will be going to serve the wine now. So, who will be the first person whom he will be going to serve?
Lady.
The girl? But sir has ordered it.
A girl.
The host has ordered it. So first and foremost, he will be going to serve the host for the approval of the taste of the wine. So sir, please take ng dessert in order.
Yes,
Yung
eh.
ating wine. So, in opening the wine also, like this, so, it is best to
Lagput ang
serve
pork
it
sa naong.
pork screw.
Lagput ang
Kailangan
pork
po,
sa naong.
hindi yan
Nanin
pa
sa gis.
kung bubuksan ito sa harap ng guest. At saan ko ito ilalagay pag naabri na ni?
Bakit?
Asa nila sisibutan dapat?
On the side,
Ipakita ba sa ilaha?
amot lang.
Tagoon.
So,
Nalimot man ko?
Dalawang balay.
itago siya sa
Bulsa.
tapos
Ano ba yun na?
after
Sa panty. Uy.
pag nag-serve mo sa wine, itapos mo na siya sa bulsa, sa
Video.
waistband, and after it,
Sana
Ay.
ba?
Natama.
isarado na siya, ilagay
Hindi
sa
natabunan.
lamesa, diba?
Ah,
Ano nga?
So,
kanan.
sa
Sa joy gani.
bakit
This
kailangan na
Ano mo hipis, hipis manggutin ni diri the pasta. Ya.
Sa back
Sa likod
area.
gud sa abrihanan kay hait man akong giuna. Ha, sarat.
Ang tagod. Tingog man. Tingog eh.
Okay, that's
Ano din
why-
niya? Gita mo na ako balik tilapan.
Dahil,
Doggy.
pag nakita na siya sa binuksan na yung wine, before pa pumasok itong scissor, iisipin niya na kinonsume ng waste stuff yun. So, hindi mo ang naibigay sa kanya. So, ganon. Okay, sir? So, serve up runner. Serve to our
Painuman dyan na sila.
Ano mo dyan yung bal?
Ay, dugo.
Then after that, what will be the right way of feeling the intensity and the aroma of the wine? How we
Swirl.
are going to
Swirl.
swirl. Okay, that's the right term. Swirl it, sir.
Giron.
Swirl it and feel its aroma and intensity.
Sige, wala inuman, inuman.
Inuman na,
So,
ay
after
nakahandok.
tasting, sir,
Tungab ba na?
Sir, is the wine too sweet or taste? Okay,
Or
so now,
Tigok bote.
he will be going to serve the lady. So, ganon, kailangan mo niya ng approval from the host. Kasi baka hindi niya gusto kasi mapakla masyado yung wine or gano'n. Pwede palitan na nun. Anyway, customer is always right. That's why we are here in the hospitality industry to
Ulo naman din nga man.
please our guests and give and exceed their expectations. So after the wine has been served, what will be the next? And the
Dessert.
main course also has been served. What will be the next?
Dessert.
The dessert. But before that, sir, please dish out or
Jeep out. Buang na may bus.
Tabangi, tabangi.
Pero pag gani
so
na.
tama ba yung ginawa niya? That after the main course also, that the bread and butter plate should be taken away from the table? Tama
Yeah.
ba? Yes. Okay, so it is
Siguro
also
nga.
the
Hindi ko
right
sigurado.
way.
Hindi ako sigurado pero may.
So after which, the main dish or the main course has been served and dished out as well as the bread and butter plate. What is the very common thing to do in fine dining before serving the dessert? There is a term. It is a two-syllable term that is, I guess you are familiar with.
What is that? Kabayong bula.
Decrum the table. Decrum. It is a term being applied. You will look for the dirt using the table napkin. Look for the dirt in the, yung nilinisip po natin yung table before natin siya serve yung dessert. So, it is applicable also in any fine dining, as well as also it is adopted in the hotel. Assuming that the dessert is mango mousse cake, so before you will be serving the dessert, i-transfer muna niya yung position ng ating, ano ito?
Dessert.
Dessert fork. So,
Dessert sport.
on the right side. But, if it is with the spoon, the dessert fork will be positioned on saan? On the left side. So, assuming mango mousse cake lang po yung dessert natin. So, it is only best with the dessert fork. So, sir, can serve now the,
Sila naka-minute.
but,
Lagay, ambot.
wait,
Hindi na siguro na.
meron pa siyang mali, di ba? Ano yung isa pa niyang mali na napunan niyo ngayon?
Kamuray na kabantay niya.
But sir, here in the hotel, so, halimbawa, pag big event na talaga, halimbawa, 300 bucks na yung siniserve natin. So, okay lang po din na ipagsabay namin yun, sir. Another thing na hindi nakalimutan yung i-dish out before natin i-serve yung dessert. Yung red wine glass, okay, sir. So, ganon. Pati din yung red wine. But, you will ask also permission from the guest. Halimbawa, meron pang natirang red wine. Oh, sir, would you like me to take the honor to dish out ready your wine glass? Or kayo na yung bahala na mag-jam sa kanila. Kasi, yun, total communication din yun eh. Kasi wala tayong ibang gear dito sa hospitality industry. Kundi ma-please lang yung mga guests at maging masaya sila sa atin. So, sir, serve now the dessert. On fine dining also, what will be your lookout as always? Halimbawa sa sir at si ma'am nagdadayo na, tapos ininom nila yung tubig nila, tapos andito na lang yung tubig. So, ano yung
Refill.
pinaka talaga na kailangan natin i-look out also?
Refill.
So, continuous refilling of ice water.
Bottomless.
So, until all the courses had been consumed by the guests, so it is
Bottomless water.
proper to look out for the ice water. So, after the dessert,
Wala. Mamaak na. Hindi.
pwede tayong offer na offer na after your drink or coffee and tea. Pwede natin yung i-offer sa ating
Bukas pa cellphone.
So, yun lang po ang basics ng aming fine dining dito sa Marco Polo. Any questions and queries, ma'am, sir, as per observation, or anything na meron kayong doubts or skeptical ba kayo about this thing na nakita ko din nyo ngayon? Pwede niyo pong i-raise yung questions ninyo.
Ay, pag mag-bus out, di ba, unahon man ang flatware. Di kay pag, kuan mo ganina kay, napa sa plato ang mga flatwares. So, okay lang ba na siya?
So, kasi sa school, ma'am, di ba, tinuturuan talaga tayo ng theory kung theory na, ito talaga yun. But in actual scenario,
Okay lang.
pag nagmamadali na tayo, alam na po yung gano'n ito. So, sa atin talaga, di ba, good, kailangan ihiwalay siya, siya. Pero, oo, pag fine dining, pero pag fine dining na formal na talaga, yung typical, yung turnover ng restaurant is, I guess, mga 10 persons in every 4 hours. So, masasabi natin gano'n. But in a fast track mode, so there will be exemptions also, considering that the quality of service of fine dining is not abrupted or is not deducted also. So, okay lang po din, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, another question.
Okay. Upload ko yun sa Facebook.
Sa?
Upload ko yun sa Facebook. Atik lang.
So, assuming also here in the hotel, sir, I can answer that. Meron tayong tinawag na Jack's Canyon, hindi namin nakakita, with the oval tray. So, doon pala,